Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to do a software update on your Mac device. In this video I'm using a MacBook, but it's the exact same on any other Mac device. So if this video has been helpful, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe. And basically I have the system settings down here in my dock, but if you don't, you can come up here to the search button, press in there, and then make sure you type in system settings, then press enter. And that's going to load up your system settings. And if you do have a software update available, it will be right up here with a red circle and a 1 in there. But if you can't find that and you want to search for a software update, you can come into General and then go to Software Update in here. And then from there, it's going to load the exact same page as if you just went straight to Software Update Available up here at the top. Anyway, it's basically saying the Mac OS Sequoia 15.2 upgrade is now available on this device. I'm going to press Upgrade now. And then once you've read through the agreement, go to Agree. Then you have to type in your password. I'm going to do that now and press OK. And then that's going to download the software update on this device. So guys, as we can see right here, you can see the blue progress bar, and what you need to do is just give the download a little bit of time to fully complete. I'm going to come back to this video once everything has downloaded. So guys, to finalize your software update on this device, what you need to do is basically just let the progress bar in blue finalize here, finish right up until the end, and then there'll be some steps from there that you need to complete. And to actually fully complete the install, you'll need to shut down the device and restart it. So guys, we've now restarted the Mac device, and basically the Sequoia 15.2 update is now fully installed on this MacBook device. As you can see right here, if we go into the software settings, we can go to General, go to Software Update, and there's currently no update available for us as we are updated to the latest version of Mac OS Sequoia. So guys, I just wanted to say thank you very much for watching this video. If it's been helpful, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below as well. Thanks very much.